Here's a quick look at the Manta Sleep white noise machine with the booster speaker. Somebody gave this to me as a gift because I work a lot of graveyard shifts and I have some trouble sleeping in the daytime. Their video ad makes some very bold claims saying that it creates a sound shield to block noise before it reaches you. It also claims that there's 15 meticulously crafted sounds engineered for sleep optimization. I'll go through every single one of them. Inside the box, we have this big remote. Next, we have the main speaker. I have a charge cable. It's USB-C to a barrel jack. I hate it when they do this stuff. Why not just make it USB on both sides? And we have the charging brick, USB-C output, rated at 5 volts, 2 amps, makes it 10 watts. Here's the back of the main speaker. Here's your power port. There are no other controls on the speaker, no buttons or anything. Here's the remote control. The big button here is to turn it on and off. This button selects one of the meticulously crafted sleep sounds. Here's your timer button and the volume rocker. Now let's take a look at the booster speaker. It looks pretty much identical, except the back is labeled booster speaker. Inside we have the same charge cable and power brick. Okay, let's get it hooked up. This thing has no internal power source, so you can't charge it or anything. It has to be hooked up to the wall at all times. I suppose you can hook it up to a battery power bank. There are notches on the side so the wire goes through nicely. After plugging it in, I hear the chime to tell me that it's working or that it's on. It seems right out of the box it's paired to the remote control, so I push the button and this sound comes on. I guess this is the first of the meticulously crafted sounds. The big circle button just toggles it on and off. This is the volume rocker up and down. Here's the timer button. It just goes through its ranges, and when it says timer off, it will just play indefinitely.
1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours. Timer off.
Now let's cycle through these meticulously crafted sleep sounds. When you hear that tone, it means it's repeating the same tones over again, that you've cycled through the entire collection of 15 meticulously crafted sleep sounds. Now I'm going to pair the booster speaker. Just turning it on, it didn't pair on its own. It's not automatic. After some fooling around, I found out the best way to pair it is to reset both devices and pair it again. So to factory reset each device, you have to hold the button here for 10 seconds until it plays a chime. There's the main speaker. And there's the booster speaker. Now I turn each one of them on separately. But the big circle round play button still doesn't work. So I'm going to hold down this big round button until it pairs. I got some kind of confirmation chime. Let's try it out again. All right, now that seems to be working for both speakers. Volume up and down, and the timer works. Both of them are playing these meticulously crafted sounds.
30 minutes.
So there you have it. That's how it works. That's how it functions. That's what it plays. And if you need to change the battery on this remote, the instructions say you have to peel off this semicircle rubber feet and unscrew it, and it takes CR2450 batteries. So would you think this will help you sleep? I tried this for a few sleep sessions and it did kind of block out some minor noises like traffic going by. But if somebody's talking outside in the other room, you have to turn up the volume really loud to block that out. So what do you think? Is this a good solution to get some sleep or to block unwanted noise? And if you think this can work for you, I'll leave a link in the description on where you can buy one yourself.